Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you some organization, mainly organizing this particular game right here, Panzer. And I wanted to get everything back in the box, nice and neat and tight, so that you can put it up on the shelf and not worry about it falling all apart, but still have access to all the pieces to set up quickly. So let's take a look inside and see how I did it. Okay, so the original game, Panzer, has a lot included in it, and so I wanted to get everything inside the box. So this is how I organized it. Now, in my case, I actually have two sets of cards. One set was the one that originally came, which unfortunately has German and Russian on the other side. And then the other set is the set that I picked up at GMT, and they actually sent it to me after calling. After doing a box opening, a couple people commented that, hey, you can get these sent to you. So I did get that. I got the new package there, which has the Germans on one side, Germans on both sides, and the Russians on both sides of the card. So that way, if one person is using one side of the card and the other person needs the other side, that doesn't work out so well. So these are there, and I designed this so that both decks of cards would fit in here. Now, I do have on the website, when you download the STL files, I do have a separate tray that can go in here for your dice here, and to use as a dice rolling tray here for this game. So that can fit in place of this extra stack of cards. So what I did was I put all these here, and I have all the dice. Right here, it even says dice if you're not using this one. If you are using this one, you just print out two of these. These trays are exactly the same, except this has dice holder, and these aren't actually in there correctly. But all of the pieces that you want are right here, easy to access. All of your vehicles are here, easy to access. All of these come out, so you can see that this just comes right out, and you can take and set that off to the side and grab any piece that you need relatively easy while you're playing the game. The dice, again, you can roll the dice in the dice tray if you decide to use that. And normally you'd have them here if you're using this dice tray if you have one set of cards. And this one would just be able to add different pieces here. Just like some of these on the back side are different, so you can flip them on over and just stack them however you want to organize it. When you go to the website, the Nerd Workshop, you can see that you can download all the STL files to do this with. And I charge $5 for the whole set. But they all come with lids, custom-made lids that you can make. 3D printer, I printed all these on an Ender 3 Pro, also on an Ender 3 Max Neo, but they are designed to fit on the smaller table, so you can make all of these on the smaller table. So that is my design for the Panzer organization. If you like this, please do like and subscribe to the channel. That helps out tremendously. And be sure to visit thenerdworkshop.com. Link will be below to see all of the different STL files that I offer for different games. Thanks for watching.